Hey there, CPO here, and I've got a leaky coolant tank. So this video, I'm gonna swap it out really quick. It's super fast. All right, so I got this for like 15 bucks from Extreme Terrain. It's a very simple swap out. So once we get it swapped out, I'll show you where mine's leaking. But I've got some telltale drips underneath, and when I fill it up, it comes back down and out the bottom. So I'm positive it's a leak, but let's just change it and I'll show you what I got. All right, so let's do this first person view so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. All right, so this is a really simple procedure. I actually have this bungee cord on here to keep everything from bouncing off. But what you have, see if I can find it right here. We need a flathead screwdriver to peel that. It's these things, the same things that hold the front grille on. They're little plastic rib nut things. So let's pull that off. And for that, I'm just using a flathead screwdriver. There we go. Whoa! So this is what that looks like. And that just basically locks the bottle in. And then the bottle just pulls up and comes out. And you can see, basically there's these two little things that hang in. This little knob sort of grabs it, and then this sort of secures it. So that's it. Where am I leaking at? Looks like somewhere down here on the seam. Definitely leaking. But the good news is it's easy to fix. And by the way, the engine's been cooling, so I'm not working on this hot. So that's the old one, and I'll recycle that fluid. The new one's just going to go in the same place, with the exception of I don't have a place for this thing. So, not that that was going to last much longer anyway. But that is the difference between the one I got and the factory one. Is this little thing is missing. But I don't see where that would be a problem. Run this hose. And then it's going to go right into there. Just like that. That's it. That is replacing the bottle. And I still will probably use, I use this bungee cord so that I can put a little side pressure on it. There we go. Just to keep it from rattling around. You know, I like the lid on this factory one better, so I'm going to steal the lid and swap it out. Try not to make too much of a mess. Sometimes I'm better at making a mess than not. And yeah, I'm going to take this one off. Put that one on. That fits nice. I'll just keep this at now. I'm just gonna throw this away. I don't need it. All right. This goes recycle. And I am just gonna put this back in. So I've got it. In case for some reason. Actually, if I leave it, it should prevent it from popping out if it's going to, but I don't think it will. All right, so now I need to just add some more fluid. and problem solved. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.